Alright, finding the perfect domain name with pastaname.com. Like I said, there are many sites out there that allow you to do combinations of names, but this is one of the ones that I like the most. And here's how it works. Just go to pastaname.com and then you'll see this. And the first thing you can do once you've selected a name using the Igor naming guide is try to see if it's available. So we could say if Doodles Doodles.com is taken, and it's taken obviously, and .net and .org, and probably all of them are taken. Reason why is because it's, like I say, it's a common name, and it's taken. But for example, if we say Doodle Names app, it's available. So many times what you're gonna have to be able to do is add something to it, right? Well, that's available. GetDoodles.com, .net, and .org is available. And if you find anything that you like, you just can go save, and then you just keep doing the same thing, app, get Doodles app, and then you can go save the net, and then you go buy, and that's gonna take you to GoDaddy.com, I think. And oh no, there's a couple of selections here. Oh, you can go to Namecheap. Actually, this is awesome. You can decide where you want to go to, because on the next chapter, I'm going to teach you how to buy domains from Namecheap.com, which is the register I use. And you can also do it through GoDaddy, which seem to have the cheapest domains available, but I personally don't like them that much. Anyways, you can get the domain very easily once you select it from here. But the real power of bustaname.com is you can do word combinations really fast. So imagine you want to talk about doodles, right? And but obviously that's not going to be available. And you see, available domains 0. But now if let's say app, we add app, and keep adding words until results show up. Okay. Actually, we go Doodles up. We should be able to see some available domains. Yeah, Doodles Doodle. Oh, let's get rid of that Doodle, the first one. And doodlesapp.com, we said it was available, and it's available. But maybe what I usually add is things like get or net or web or hub or desk or woo is being typical, and there's so many different options, and boom, suddenly look, all the different permutations of those words appear immediately, and eventually you may find something that looks good, like desk wood. I like it. Okay, let's add it. Or wood doodles. Why not? Or doodlesnet.com. I like that. You can also set more parameters. For example, do you want to just look for .com? I recommend try to find a .com, because everybody familiar is with .com domains. Therefore, if you can find it, the better. And if you find it .net, it's okay. There are some sites out there that are very popular and they have millions of visitors, and they're in .net, like box.net, which is a file storing site on the cloud, or videocopilot.net, which is my favorite After Effects tutorial site on the internet, right? .org are more for like non-profit organizations, and then you can also say for add an I or an E, like those are very typical things, or my or the, like when Facebook was the Facebook, and then Sean Parker said to Mark Zuckerberg, hey, get rid of the da on Facebook, but Facebook.com was taken, so I think they have to pay a lot of money to get Facebook.com. Anyways, if you're looking for a name, and I do this a lot because I bought several domains for several apps that I've done, and for projects that I have in my mind to do in the future. The first thing I do is like, whoa, okay, what would I call it? What would I call it? And then I come here and I see, well, the domain has to be available, right? And then I go through all the different permutations and see what's available. And then I can buy right home from here, or I can go directly to Namecheap or GoDaddy or any of these sites here. Let's just so you can see them. These are some of the sites you can buy from. And get your domain. So bustaname.com, a great place to find the perfect domain name. And next, Domainer.